Welcome everybody. Tuesday Night Live, right? It's Tuesday. I may or may not have my days confused, but Tuesday night, and I'm going to do a quick one. I have some other things going on tonight, so let's do some travel mugs because I need to throw these into my rotation of travel mugs, and I have I want to make these super cute. So I have a fun rose gold. So this is a fun rose gold travel mug. And then I also have a aqua mint-ish color. I'm just getting the lid off right now. Welcome guys. Make sure you say hi when you get in here so that I know that you're around. Hi Patricia, Amanda, hi Kelly. So one of these is gonna get the coffee and sunshine, woohoo! The other one is going to get, but first, coffee. And then after I do this, I'm gonna use the ink onto the mug, and then I will bake it for, about 30 minutes at 300. I have found that 300 is a good, okay, I just want to check to see. All right, so 300 for 30 minutes. You put it in your oven and you turn it on. You don't have to preheat it. So you put the stuff in your oven, you turn your oven on to the desired temperature, you allow it to preheat with your oven. So you're going to stick her and actually, yeah. So these that may have a powder coating, just to be safe, we've been doing them in a separate oven, not the oven that you cook your food in. So I have a crafting only toaster oven that works perfectly. Hey Jessica. So let's use some of this beautiful teal ink, and we're going to make our words on this rose gold teal. So we're going to do like rose gold with the teal, and then on the mint I'm going to use our copper, which is gorgeous. And I have also, P.S. if you love rose gold, I've come up with a recipe to create the rose gold ink, so we can ink with it, which is really awesome. So this was quick and easy. Done with that. I'm just popping this into my water over there, and I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to go side to side because that's what I have. I just need a good grip. Actually, I might start to peel downward now. There we go. Oh, beautiful. The teal looks really good. I wasn't sure what color I wanted to use because I was going to do possibly like a silver or white, but this looks good. So like that pink and teal, that rose gold. And then now this is going to dry completely so that it is solid to the touch, that it's not tacky. Hi Winona. You can help the process along by doing this, or you don't even have to. Is that blocking all the light? You don't even have to do this. You can just set it out for like 24 hours. 24 is the minimum because you want it dry all the way through. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. You guys can see, right? Looks super cute. And then my next one is, this is a little like a mint, And I'm gonna do the copper. I think copper is probably my favorite color of ink. The gold is nice, but it's a little bit, it's more of a yellow gold, and this copper is just a real nice color. Just always, when you're handling the ink, have wipes handy because you need them all the time. Pardon my voice because I completely have had like allergies today. They keep coming and going. Like I'll be fine for a while and then all of a sudden I'm sneezing again. Does not make for a happy girl. I am not happy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this transfer got put on the back of, this is where it's supposed to be. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. I don't know if I did this or if somebody else did, but that's why you write back on your transfers. Shame on me. Now I have this all curly queued up, but it's all right. I'm gonna get it down and I'm gonna straighten it out so that, there we go. And before I do anything, see, even I make mistakes. So it probably was me. I'm gonna write the word back on that one and on this one. Sometimes you just never know. The shiny part is what you want to re-stick this to. So make sure I have no bubbles. And here we go with our copper. Super fun. I love this copper. It's shimmering, so it's glittery. And you just want to cover over all of the screen, making sure you don't miss anything. It's a little different than the chalk. You definitely feel it the first time you use it, how different it is. It's a little bit smoother, a little bit thinner, and very easy to use, to put on. Very easy. Okay, so I'm going to put the excess back in here, and I'm just smoothing this out because I've got some lines and I don't want lines in my words. Very good. All right, let's see what this one looks like. And then I will have two fun new coffee mugs to use. I go through them like crazy. If you don't believe me, ask my husband. Ooh, oh, this one I think is gonna be my favorite. So I'm just putting this in the water. It looks so good. So here we have our two. I know this one's super shiny, and so it might be hard for you to see. Coffee and sunshine, but first, coffee. So really, really cool. I see one tiny little spot where the O is that I'm gonna fix, which is real easy to do. I'm just going to use this and clean that off. Super quick and easy. Even getting into delicate spots are easy. No match for these little Q-tips with the point. You just kind of need a steady hand, but it works. Very nice. Oh, there's one over here too. And a little bit right there. And right there. Awesome. So there we go. How quick was that? Did anybody time me? How many minutes have I been going? Not very many. So go ahead, try this. This transfer, it's a $9.99 transfer. It comes with both of these, and you can make as many fun travel mugs as you would like using this and one of our Couture ink colors. So this ink needs to be set. So you heat set it in the oven. It's going to dry right now for 48 hours, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven and bake it at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. These metal containers, I have found that's the best temperature to use is 300. If it were glass, it would be 350 for 30 minutes. But this, I have found that 30 is pretty good. Some of these colors can get a little bit hot, like if you do for the 350. Someone said that they had theirs start to burn. Now, I didn't have that, but I did have one kind of color change a little. But I was testing out different temperatures. So, yeah, so take it from me, 300 for 30 minutes. Awesome. Okay, and then after they are baked and the heat is set, they are good to wash in the dishwasher even. They are water safe and everything. So super awesome. Dry, heat set, and you're good to go. All right, guys, I gotta run. Got lots of stuff to do. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.